Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us have faced at some point, the issue of problem. Whether it's a technical glitch, an organizational hiccup, or just a general frustration, dealing with this problem can really put a damper on your day. But fear not, because we've got a solution that might just save the day. Now, let's talk about the solution that can help you overcome this problem. The key lies in solution, which is a simple yet effective way to tackle the issue at hand. By implementing this solution, you'll be on your way to smoother sailing in no time. It's all about taking the right steps and making sure you're equipped with the tools you need to succeed. Remember, when faced with problem, it's important to keep a clear head and approach the situation with a positive mindset. By utilizing the solution we mentioned earlier, you'll be well on your way to resolving the issue and getting back on track. Don't let this bump in the road slow you down. You've got what it takes to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. In conclusion, tackling problem head-on is never easy, but with the right mindset and the proper tools, you can conquer any challenge that comes your way. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, a little positivity can go a long way.